The blenders that hold up the longest in a pop-up drink stand are commercial-grade machines with direct drive motors, like the Vitamix Commercial Series and the Blendtec Commercial Series, because they are built for constant daily use instead of occasional home use. Think of it like the difference between a bicycle and a delivery truck. A home blender is the bicycle. It works great for light and occasional jobs, but it was never built to run over and over all day long. A pop-up drink stand is more like a delivery truck job, blending drinks back-to-back for hours without a real break. Commercial blenders use something called a direct drive motor, which means the blade connects straight to the motor without a belt or gear system in between, so there is less that can wear out or slip. They also have sealed bearings that keep water, sugar, and fruit juice from sneaking inside and rusting the moving parts, which is one of the sneaky reasons regular blenders die early behind a drink stand. Most commercial models are also designed with cooling fans built around the motor so they can keep blending crushed ice for hours without overheating and shutting down mid-rush. If you want your machine to truly last for years, always look for one labeled for commercial or food truck use, not just heavy-duty home use, since those are tested differently for non-stop daily wear. One common mistake is running the blender constantly without ever letting it rest, which slowly cooks the motor from the inside, so giving it short breaks between big rushes can add years to its life. Another mistake is using it to crush ice that is way too hard or too large, which strains the blades and bearings, so pre-crushing larger ice chunks first makes a big difference. A lot of people also forget that sugary drink residue can seep into the base over time and cause corrosion, so wiping down the base and blade area every single day, not just the pitcher, is a small habit that protects the whole machine. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.